watching this guy lying there with his mouth open like this
Suffocating.
for a long time.
Yeah.
And then finally he would jostle and catch some air. And he woke up and I said, hey, man. And I said, do you know you have sleep apnea? He's like, what do you mean? And I said, okay, let me tell you what's going on. And I showed him my mouthpiece. I go, like, I have this thing that I have to sleep with because it was a long flight we were on. And I said, you got to go to a doctor, get that checked out. And he goes, oh, okay, thanks. I go, no, really?
Yeah.
You got to go to a doctor. I go, it'll change your life, man.
Heart disease, like a lot of bad shit can happen.
It also affects people's dietary choices.